Alright everybody, I'm Eric with Eric's Excursions. Today, I'm just traveling around Walt Disney World Resort. Riding the boat right now. I'll probably jump on a monorail. And then I'll head on over to the Grand Floridian. I just left Fort Worth. Come join me. You got monorail.
She's like, I want to go.
This is so cool. Wasn't really expecting to do this today. You never know where a day's going to bring you. You just got to get out, explore. It's good to get out of the house. So we just left Day Lake. Now this is called the Seven Seas Lagoon. All man-made. It took like 3 or 4 years for them to do it back in the late 60s. Pick up this boat. And that's the Contemporary Hotel. It was built, I think, in 1970. It's the first hotel on the Walt Disney World Resort. We got a ferry boat in the background and a beautiful sunset. And there we got the Grand Floridian. So the area that we just landed in is Magic Kingdom. I'm not going in there. I'm actually going to take a monorail over to the Grand Floridian and go check that out, because it's been a very long time since I've been in that one. And I hear it's worth checking out. Alright, so I'm going to take the monorail over to the Grand Floridian, which is right across the lake. Not too far away. It's a great day today. Perfect weather. Couldn't ask for better weather. This monorail is packed.
But just never had to worry about him. Worried about him playing.
That time.
Oh yeah. That was the best thing we ever had. Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, it's just like a supervisor.
I still was awfully close.
That's right. How are they looking this year? I mean, follow.
I don't think they were very good, but they've lost 2 games. I know they put 100 on.
We are headed over to the Contemporary Hotel.
His name right now, but they're all.
Well, actually go right through.
He can recruit. Actually, destroy my old force. We're not looking to do much this year.
There was a time when Billy Donovan, before he went to the pros, almost had Indiana.
That's right. Oh yeah, he should have. And I wish he was one of those guys, almost like Nick Saban. Why would now it's all. Well, they got to do something. I agree with say they got to do something. It's more open market in college right now than it is in the pros. That's right. Well, look what.
What you guys been down here? We come in Tuesday night. Wednesday. I actually be coming Wednesday afternoon. It was my mistake. I normally would fly Tuesday and Tuesday. I think I fly Wednesday. I never thought. You do? Was he a basketball coach? Okay. I believe he played for Carlo. He played for
That's a good year for them. I was glad to see that in Ohio State.
Yeah, I've been in 2 games.
It was packed. People just got out of the monorail, so I got a little more room. Finally able to sit down for a little bit. I think we've got 2 more stops before we head over to Grand Floridian.
Oh, I see.
that work too. Oh, please. I'll walk that over the top. So that's the way to do it, huh?
All right, I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here. This is my Walt Disney World transportation video where I take a bus. I took a bus at first, I didn't film that one. It was too crowded. And I took a little pontoon boat, I think that's what it was called. And then I just took the monorail over here to the Grand Floridian. Now I'm gonna check this place out. I heard a lot about it. I hear it's been remodeled, refurbished inside. Really curious to check it out, and especially right now because it is Christmas time. So we'll see what they did with it. So that'll be the next video. This was just a transportation video. Thanks for watching.